Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to list a coin in Coinmarketcap. Now the Coinmarketcap is the world's most referenced price tracking website for crypto assets in the rapidly growing cryptocurrency space. And its mission is pretty simple, which is to make crypto discoverable and efficient globally by empowering retail users with unbiased, high quality, and accurate information for drawing their own informed conclusions. So now that we know about what the CoinMarketCap entails, let's hop into the CoinMarketCap web application itself. Now, how do you create an account on CoinMarketCap? It's simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type coinmarketcap.com. That's going to take you to the official website. In the website, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the sign up button. Go ahead and click on that to create a new account, or click on the login button to log in to an existing account. All right, so now that we're here, let's just quickly hop into today's text, which is how to list a coin on CoinMarketCap. Now from this homepage, I would like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons. English, that's the language, and then you have the currency, you have get listed, you have API, and you have a few more icons. Now go ahead and click on get listed. It's going to take you to this extended menu where you have cryptocurrency, exchange, page update. So go ahead and click on cryptocurrency because we want to list the coin, right? So right here you have a form that you need to submit. Now it says, please review all the options and select the correct form to ensure that your request gets routed to the correct team, and please submit well-structured, actionable, and complete information. Now you have boxes that you need to check. So this is the first one. And what do you want to do? Do you want to list a crypto asset, or do you want to add exchange? You want to add market or pair, or you want to list a coin? So this is a coin and token swap, right? This is what we want to do. So click on that, and then here you're going to have to add your email address. You have to, this subject field, you have to adhere to the format, and it means you prefer that in this box you have to refer to this format as an example. So add this as your subject field. So go ahead and do that. The project's full name, the symbol, and the request. That's what you're going to add, or that's what you're going to do in the subject field. You have the terms and conditions that you need to agree to. So after reading this carefully, go ahead and click on this checkbox and you'll be good. Now here you have to add the project CMC URLs, and it says if you're looking to update information for Chainlink on CoinMarketCap, please provide the following link, provide this, and if you're unable to provide it, please first submit a request to add a new crypto asset in the exchange. And over here you have the Annex B swap form. It says you should paste the URL of your completed Annex B Google Sheet here, and please refer to the instructions in cell A1 of this link. And then head over to proof and supporting evidence documents. What does that mean? Provide the proof that Ingo or Gazo that the request is authentic. Example, info is reflected on website, announcement thread, Twitter page, and please ensure that the requested updates match what is found on the project's website and social media accounts. And if the request entails changing the project's website, please explain why the team is unable to get the original URL to redirect to the new website. Type NA if not applicable. Then add attachments, which is optional, and then go ahead and click on the submit button. Now once you click on the submit button, that's pretty much all you need to list a coin on CoinMarketCap. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.